Well, the car is actually coming along pretty good. Now that we got the back end all pre-bent and dished out, I do maybe want to dish it a little bit more than what it is now, but I can always do that at the Derby. I don't know, maybe I'll tie some seat belts around the bumper to the body, but I might as well do that at the Derby. Drilled my holes, going to start running some seat belts. I might as well do the back doors as well. Again, this corner here is still making me a little upset that it doesn't look any prettier than that. I really tried to make this one look pretty, I really did. Other than that, we're gonna, once we're done the trunk, then we're gonna start tying these doors shut. I'm gonna smash out the handles because that seems to be a thing this year where people want all the door handles gone off cars. Not sure why, but I'm not gonna argue with it. So I'm gonna smash the rear door handles out. We're gonna tie the doors shut like here, 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 and down there. Just start tying it together. Did buy some pink duct tape, so maybe we'll throw some pink duct tape on that, but I might even wait until after it's painted. Again, I'm not sure what I'm going to paint this thing to look like. I don't know, but it's starting to look like I wanted, starting to look nice and good, but let's start seatbelting this thing together and get it ready for the demolition derby. Still, I have no idea where she's going to go. So there's something I like doing more than working on derby cars. There's really not much more I like doing more than working on derby cars, but I'm going to tell you right now, something I really enjoy doing is getting derby parts. That's right, my Jeffys order came in. Look at that, Jeffys Fab Farm written all over it. Super excited to look inside of it. Can't wait to see if everything I ordered is in there. And I did order something custom and one-off, and I've been waiting for it for quite some time. So let's open this and see what it is. Ugh. So, like I was saying, we got our Jeffys order in. Oh, feels some pretty thick wrapping on there. Now, it did take quite a while for Jeffy's order to get to me, but I did do some stuff that's a little bit different. I ordered a custom one-off Camry header, and the reason I ordered it is because I have Soleras. Now, on Camrys, the header comes out straight, so it comes like in the middle of the 4 cylinders, but it offsets it to the passenger side. Now, on a Camry, that's great because it goes through a spot in the hood where there's no real big inner supports, especially on the old bodies. It really just goes through a nice spot on the old bodies. But on the Soleras and the new bodies, it kind of puts it in a weird spot where you lose a couple of your inner supports. So, I ordered this. This is an offset Camry header. And is it going to make life easier for me? I'm not too sure, but what this will do is basically, instead of being here, now it's this way, so I think it might miss the inner supports. Oh, some Jeffy Fab Farm stickers. Always nice to get some new stickers. I've been getting a lot of these lately. I'm going to have to show you guys my sticker collection. So I got myself an offset Camry header. Pretty happy about that. I'm pretty sure this is one of a kind as of right now. And honestly, it feels pretty good. Jeffy says he's had a lot of people ask for him, but he hasn't actually made any yet, so I'm pretty happy that I got one of the very first ones. So this is a custom one-off piece. Over the winter, early spring, Jeffy announced that he was running, or building, a new set of Corolla headers. So this is for a Corolla. Now, he has actually slotted a couple of these holes so that this can run on, I believe it's like 96, maybe even older, maybe 94, to basically 2003 Toyota Corollas. So I have one of these now. It's not actually for me, but it's for one of my friends. So this here will work on 2 different generations of Corollas and 2 different generations of Toyota Corolla motors. and it also has the Jeffy Fab Farm sticker in it. Now, unfortunately, this one is not for me, it is for my buddy, but I was putting in the Jeffy's order, so I figured I would just order everything for us. Now, I did order these as well. Now, you guys may have seen the video where I started building these a while back. I started off with those Toyota truck rims. Now, I ordered, what did I order, 6? Yeah, 6. 6 mini bolt centers. These are, I ordered 6 of them, and now I have 6 here, so pretty happy about that. So I got my 6 mini weld-in centers. Now, these parts here are a little bit different than anything I've seen from Jeffy, and I'm not sure if these are right. No, I definitely don't think these are right. I ordered 2 Camry shifters. I think these are Lumina. I'm going to give Jeffy a message right now and see if these are correct. But overall, I'm pretty happy about the order I got. I got my custom one-off Toyota Camry header. So that brings me up to, it's off the floor. Grease. I have a Jeffy straight header. I have a gray area header. I have a DEC header. I have one homemade header, and now I got this custom Jeffy's one. The Corolla header will be going to the guy who ordered it. I have all my mini centers, so now I can finish my Toyota 4Runner rims. I can do my 14-inch Mazda rims, and then I got 3 extras. So we'll see what other kind of rims I come across. And I really do think these are for Lumina. But I ordered Toyota Camry ones, so I'm going to send him a message about these ones. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.